Hey y'all! Welcome back to another episode of Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and today we are so excited to bring you Miranda Lambert's new book, Y'all Eat Yet? She has packed this book full of stories of friendship and traditions for all of those in her closest circle, and also fabulous recipes. Today we're making the sausage cornbread muffin. Let's get started. For sausage cornbread muffins, we will need cooking spray or muffin liners, 2 large eggs, 2/3 cup whole milk, 2 8.5-ounce packages corn muffin mix, Jiffy's recommended, 1 pound crumbled cooked hot pork sausage, 1 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn, drained, 1 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, and 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese. To begin, we'll start with mixing our milk and our eggs together. Once they're well combined, we will add them into our corn muffin mix and stir until just combined. And now we will add in our cheese, corn, chilies, and sausage. There we go. We'll give that a stir. Now we'll fill 24 lined or greased muffin cups, about 2/3 full, with our muffin mixture. Now they're ready to go into a 400-degree oven for 25 minutes or until they're a light golden brown. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of Cooking by the Book, and we'll see you next time.